Just to prove to you guys that this will not damage your walls, I first put it on my wall and I peeled it off slow and then fast, and my wall was perfectly fine afterwards. Once you get to the next row, I just overlap the two layers by about 1/4 of an inch. Overall, working with the wallpaper is pretty forgiving. If you mess up, you can just peel it off the wall and try again. If you come across an outlet, start taking off the front cover. If this is uncomfortable for you, you can turn off the breaker first. Then just take the wallpaper and roll it down over the outlet. Take your putty knife and move in a circular motion around the outlet. Just make sure not to stretch the wallpaper too much or else this will happen. If it does, then take your knife and cut around the outlet, being sure not to cut any wires behind it. Once the pressure is off, you can slowly push it back down again. Then just replace the cover. Once I got to the last section, I noticed I'd only be using half the roll. It was a little tricky to apply this to the wall without the other side sticking to the adjacent wall. There could be better ways to do this, maybe cutting the roll in half first and then applying it. Either way, I found this worked best for me. I just had to make sure I took my time. After you get it in the right position, I applied it just like I would at the top or the bottom of the rows, just by taking my putty knife and going up and down